In the heart of the city's chaotic dance, Chibuzo moved like a ghost. His world shrunk to the glowing screen in his hand. He was so lost in the digital river that he barely noticed the old man, a walking piece of history, offering a traditional greeting. A wave of dismissal, a flick of his thumb, and the moment was gone. Just another old man, another forgotten custom. Then, a notification blinked. A new WhatsApp group. The name was strange, almost a joke. Omu na Oki, the ancestors. Chibuzo scoffed. Probably a prank. He was about to leave the group, but something held him back. The first message arrived. It wasn't text. It was an image, a carved wooden mask, its eyes seeming to stare right through the screen and into his soul. The caption read, "Patience is the seed from which the forest of wisdom grows." Chibuzo frowned. Weird. Another message popped up, this time from a profile picture of an ancient terracotta head. Respect for the old is a bridge to the future. Suddenly, his mind flooded with images he'd never seen but felt deep in his bones. He saw vast, green farmlands under a patient sun, people working together, their hands in the earth. He saw villagers gathered under a full moon, children listening wide-eyed to stories told by elders, their faces glowing with firelight and wonder. These visions felt more real than the concrete and steel around him. It was a stark contrast to his own life. Instant noodles, fleeting online fame, and friends who only talked about the next get-rich-quick scheme. The messages kept coming, each one a digital proverb from a forgotten time, speaking of community, honor, and the slow, steady rhythm of life. One evening, as Chibuzo scrolled through his feed, laughing at a meme that mocked an elder, his phone buzzed violently. The ancestors were calling. The group chat exploded with images of his own face, distorted and mocking. The carved mask's profile sent a message that felt like a thunderclap. You laugh at the roots that hold you firm? You rush for wealth, but trample the wisdom that builds a legacy. A video appeared on his screen, showing a stormy night. A giant tree, its roots severed, crashed to the ground. The final message was stark and terrifying. When roots are cut, the tree falls. The phone went dark. In the silence of his room, the city's noise faded away. Chibuzo saw himself clearly for the first time, a tree without roots, swaying dangerously in a storm of his own making. The weight of his legacy, a chain stretching back through generations, settled heavily on his shoulders. He finally understood. The change in Chibuzo wasn't instantaneous, but it was profound. The next time he saw an elder, he stopped. He offered a full, respectful greeting, bowing his head slightly. The elder's surprised smile felt more rewarding than any number of likes on social media. He started talking to his friends, not about quick cash, but about their shared history. Our culture isn't a museum piece, he'd say. It's a compass. It shows us where we've been and guides us where we need to go. His friends, initially confused, began to listen. They saw the new strength in him, a calm confidence that wasn't there before. One day, he checked his phone for the daily wisdom from his digital ancestors. The group was gone. It had vanished as mysteriously as it appeared. But it didn't matter. Chibuzo was no longer just receiving messages. He was at a village gathering, surrounded by family, sharing stories, his face lit by the warm glow of a bonfire. He was living the legacy. The wisdom wasn't on his phone anymore. It was in his heart. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember to connect with your roots, for they are the foundation of who you are. If this story resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more tales of heritage and heart.